up early, got my eyes on the chart. Every tick's a chance, playing smart from the start. Discipline's my weapon, got the mindset to rise. In the game of momentum, I'm aiming for the prize.
Hello guys, welcome to ARX. So this is a trade it took yesterday on EURUSD. I'm gonna show you, as you can see, that's the trade. Is still open. Is the trade it took yesterday, was here, exactly there. That's the trade it took yesterday. Still running. You already banked a few profits and it's still running with a little runner. You expect the market keep pushing to the upside and see even if the option is going to end between today and tomorrow. I think it's going to be today or tomorrow, I don't know. It's still far from that, so this is what he used to get into that trade. You can see that it's a rejection block with liquidity just above it. You see the market swept that liquidity, give a nice move to the down to the upside and create exactly another range in here. As you can see, another range being created there. So, and drop the market once again. You go to the 1 hour time frame and you see that happen. So push to the upside, break these lows, these highs here, confirm that this was a break of structure. You can see on the line chart is that is a break of structure opened here. The markets come down, left liquidity the same way they left here on this side, the same way it's left on this side is left here as well. Left this liquidity. So as the market been respect the lows, I trust on that low as well, because it was the last low before the market changed direction. So I took a trade with 5 pip stop loss. That's the stop loss I normally use, a 5 pip stop loss. I opened the trade here, as you already see. Was just here, as you can see, where I take the, well, come on, it's too big. That's where I take the trade, just there. And yeah, so now what I can expect for now is, if you go to the 4 hour, you can see this move that the market swept that liquidity, swept all that liquidity over there and push high, that breaks that highs. So I'll confirm that the structure breaks once again. Now the market been respect that order block and also that rejection block as well. As here, as you can see, the market been, let me put this, as the market respect this rejection block here and also the order block, that's levels when people wants to get in. So I'm not gonna buy from here directly, because you don't know if the market is gonna drop from that level, because you respect that. And on the 4 hours you have this trend line liquidity, and most of people understand that is a bearish trend, but on the weekly time frame, in daily time frame, the market is still bullish. So that's gonna take in consideration the market for me is still bullish. Okay, that's why I take that trade. So now, as the market being respect this 4 hour IPA, if I go to the 1 hour, if I see the market break structure to the upside, that means around that level. If the market breaks at least that high here, if the market breaks that high, that means I'm gonna trade once again. As soon as I get IPA, order block, a rejection block, I'm gonna take, because I want to take the external range liquidity, and that external range liquidity is gonna be here, one, that's where I'm gonna bank profits again, and the last one here to give a continuation of the bullish trend. That's what I'm waiting on EURUSD. So now, we also get gold yesterday, was here. So you also get gold here yesterday on the 1 hour time frame. I'm gonna show you. So you also get on gold as well. That's the gold for hour. Let me show another picture so you can see the clear entry on gold. Just 1 second. Just 1 second, guys. Okay, so let's take this out. Let's grab this one here. It's basically the same setup. What you do every time. There we go. So you take a trade just there on this rejection block as well. So and how you take the trade there. So as you see the market being respect that level, as you can see that was the range between that low with that high. So you already understand what happened inside the range. So what you expected is the market just drop to test this, and it's been retesting in been respect, and as soon as the market retests that, you can see here on the line chart it was a break of structure. Great, so it was a swap of liquidity there and a break of structure these highs. It just breaks structure here, so that's why I take a trade here, that rejection block. So that was my position. Stop loss below this weak candle, and yeah, it target. It bank already a few profits on gold from yesterday till today. It bank a few profits on gold, as you can see. With it start with 1.5 lot size, so you already close 1.4, so I still have 0.1 open. So what I expected on gold right now is continue to the bullish trend, continue pushing high to take that external range liquidity, as well as he still have this bullish confirmation. That's what I expected. So what I'm gonna see is, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold the trade even in here. So the market looks like, okay, so the market comes to that order block, also is the 4-hour order block as well. So invite traders to get in, and most of people, if are in buy, just close the trades and trying to sell on the order block. But you need to remember you are in a bullish trend, so the market invite traders to get, let me take this out a little bit. So the market invite traders to get in. Most of them will understand that was the break of structure and starting to sell, because you have engulfing candle and everything. So now the market, if you trade the order block, it should be like here, the order block, and the stop loss above, and you already been taken out. So if you trade this breakout structure, you expect the market to retest that level, you get in around here, you already been out as well. So that's why you call this as a trap. Okay, so what you expected now, if you take this out and if you go to the 4-hour, you can see that gap is being consumed already, so there's nothing to worry about it. You have a few K levels here, that breaker, you have that K level, and there's nothing else you can take. I'm gonna take in consideration unless it come here to that level, because you have liquidity just above it. So you can see a market move from that level after take the sellers out. And yeah, so I will keep holding that trade to see what's going to happen. If you have a clear structure break it, and most it should be on the higher time frame, that's how I trade. So you don't trade small time frames, you only trade highest time frames. You like to see the chart clear and the structure being clear, so less noise, let's say. So yeah, you have these levels here, liquidity is just above, you have a few, most people probably gonna trying to keep buying at this order block, so you're gonna consider that as a trap as well. So you're not gonna take any action in this level unless the market breaks through and create another structure, so you can keep buying to the external range liquidity. Yeah, so this is what we are waiting for, and gonna hold this trade on XAUUSD, on gold, and yeah, on here you're gonna wait to see if the market can break that structure, come back to the IPA, order block, rejection block, whatever it is in there, and then keep going up to take all this liquidity. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you later.